maraming nabibiyuda even at their early young age. Pwede ba silang magpakasal? Pwedeng-pwede, no? Pwedeng magpakasal ang isang nabiyuda sa ibang tao because as far as the law is concerned, single na yan. And there is no more bar, there is no more prohibition on her getting married. Kaya lang, under Republic Act 8533, yung ating family code, kailangan may number of days after the death of your husband bago ka pwedeng magpakasal, no? And that number of days is 301 days, no? After the death of your husband. Huwag kang gigil magpakasal, no? Baka nasa kabaong pa lang yung asawa mo, gusto mo nang magpakasal, no? So you should count 301 days after the marriage. Meron ding penal provision ito under Article 351 of the Revised Penal Code. Illegal marriage ito pag within 301 days. At sabi ng Revised Penal Code, any widow who shall marry, no, within 301 days from the date of the death of her husband shall have a penalty of arresto mayor and a fine not exceeding 500 pesos. So, ano ba bang purpose nito? Ano bang kagimikan ng gobyerno? At ayaw kayong magpakasal within 301 days? It is for purposes of determining a paternity of a child. No? Para malinaw na kung sakaling buntis ka later on, na hindi yung namatay mong asawa ang may ama doon sa bata, kundi yung future husband mo. So, mga kababayan, ang magic number is 301 days.